Today, we will be learning how to regroup money. We will regroup money by regrouping the pennies into dimes. First, let's watch this video that tells us how to regroup.
Can you tell me what's rule number 1? Always check the sign. Can you tell me what's rule number 2? Is the problem correct and in line? Can you tell me what's rule number 3? That's so easy, oh, don't you see? Always start adding in the ones place. A 2-digit number won't fit in the space. So we R-E-G-R-O-U-P, R-E-G-R-O-U-P, R-E-G-R-O-U-P. We just spelled regroup. You make a bundle of 10 and move it on over. Make a bundle of 10 and move it on over. Make a bundle of 10 and move it on over. Then add it to the tens place. Now the ones that are left will you stay in one's place. The ones that are left will you stay in one's place. The ones that are left will you stay in one's place. And that's how we regroup.
Now, let's always remember that 10 pennies equals 1 dime. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pennies equals 1 dime. So when we regroup, if we have a group of 10 pennies, we will change it over to 1 dime. So we will group into 1 dime. First, we have 32 plus 28. For 32, I will have 3 dimes, 1, 2, 3. And for 32, I'll have 2 pennies, 1, 2. For 28, I will have 2 dimes, 1, 2. And then for 28, I will have 8 pennies, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now remember, when we're regrouping, we have to make a bundle of 10. If we can make a bundle of 10, then we move it on over. Let's count our pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can we make a bundle of 10? Yes. So if we make a bundle of 10 and move it on over, we can put a dime, another dime here. Now we have 0 pennies because we put a dime, an extra dime in the dime section. So now instead of having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dimes, now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dimes. Now remember, when we're adding, we do the pennies first. Now you can see here, there are 0 pennies or 0 ones, so we would put a 0. And now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dimes. So 32 plus 28 equals 60. Next, we have 57 plus 24. For 57, I have 5 dimes and 7 pennies to make 57. For 24, I have 2 dimes and 1, 2, 3, 4 pennies. Now remember, to make a bundle to move it over, we need to make a bundle of 10. So let's see if we can make a bundle of 10. Let's count the pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We for sure can make a bundle of 10 and we'll still have some left over. So this is my bundle of 10, and you can see I still have 1 penny left over. Now I'm going to take my bundle of 10 and change it into a dime. Now I can exit out, so I can't even look at those pennies anymore. I only have 1 penny left. And since I moved and regrouped the pennies into a dime, now on my equation, I have to put a 1. I put a red 1 in the dimes equation. Now, when I am adding my pennies, 7 plus 4 equals 11. I have 1 penny left, and the 110 goes to the dimes section in red. So I have 1 penny left. Now I have 1 plus 5 plus 2 dimes. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 57 plus 24 equals 81. Now I have 36 plus 34. 36 has 3 dimes. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pennies. 34 has 1, 2, 3 dimes. And 34 has 1, 2, 3, 4 pennies. Now, remember, again, if we want to make a bundle, it has to be 10. Let's see if we can make 10 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We can make 10 here. So I'm going to bundle, and I'm going to move it over to make a 10. Now, there are 0 pennies left. And I moved the dime that we made from the pennies over into the dimes section. Now we have 3 plus 1 plus 3 dimes. If we count it all together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 36 plus 34 equals 70. Next, we have 57 plus 26. 57 has 5 dimes and 7 pennies. 26 has 2 dimes and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pennies. Now, remember, if we want to regroup, we have to have a group of 10. Let's count the pennies to see if we have a group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We for sure have a group of 10. This is my group of 10. You can see that in my penny side right now, I have 1 group of 10 and 3 ones. So I can move my group of 10 to make a dime. And now my group of 10 is no longer in the pennies, it's in the dimes. Now I can put an additional 1 in the dimes section. So now let's look how many pennies are left. 1, 2, 3, which makes total sense because 7 plus 6 equals 13. And we remember that we moved the dime over, or the 10 over. So now we are left with 3. Now we have 5 plus 1 plus 2. If we count this all up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 57 plus 26 equals 83. So friends, remember we always start with the pennies. And when you're adding the pennies, you're going to see if you can make a group of 10. If you can make a group of 10, that's fantastic. You're going to make a big circle around your group of 10 like I did. And then you're going to put a 1 on the dime side or a 1 on the 10 side. That means that those pennies are now in the dimes or in the tens section. But sometimes you'll have a few left over. Like this one, I had 3 pennies left. Sometimes you won't have any left over. And so it'll be a 0.